Then the King of glory shall say to those at his right hand, Come, O blessed of my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you from the foundation of the world. For I was hungry, and you gave me food, and you gave me food. I was thirsty, you gave me drink. I was a stranger, and you welcomed me. I was naked, and you clothed me. I was sick, and you visited me. I was in prison, and you came to me. Then the righteous will answer him, See thee a stranger, and welcome thee, or naked, and clothe thee. And when did we see thee sick, or in prison, and visit thee? And the king will answer them, Truly I say to you, as you did it to one of the least of these my brethren, you did it to me. Any man of God who stands in the arena to serve hears echoes of this impelling portion of Scripture, and the world is waiting for the manifestation of the sons of God. Whilst limited thinkers prefer to question and criticize the use of resources in the church today, it is obvious that the blessing that God pronounces on His children is for the ultimate glory of the kingdom, and that His name, Jehovah Jireh, should be lifted up.